MusicBuddy AI. Hey there, welcome to my MusicBuddy AI review. In this video, we are going to look at a demo inside the members area of how MusicBuddy AI works and the pros and cons of this approach for creating your own music. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this at home for over 10 years now, which is really cool. So I've seen lots of these different systems come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you check out MusicBuddy AI Reviews. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating realistic income online, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. So with MusicBuddy AI, it's a software tool that's basically all about creating your own background music, which is copyright free. So this music can be used for video marketing in the background for your YouTube videos or TikTok videos, whatever content you are creating, and you're looking for license rights music which is copyright free. You're not going to get any copyright strikes on your channel, for example, by having it in your background. Then MusicBuddy AI is an interesting place where you could create your own music from scratch. Basically, there's a number of different monetization methods with the license-free music you get to create with MusicBuddy AI. One, you could actually become a music composer and sell copyright-free music tracks on Fiverr or SoundCloud, Spotify. You can have them streaming, or you can actually sell them for a gig on Fiverr, or sell them as a gig on Upwork, or you can just put it up on some sort of digital marketplace and sell the tracks as is to other people who can use them as they wish. So you can become a music composer either as a freelancer, creating it from scratch for your clients, or listing it as a complete package of tracks which is simply just downloaded from a certain platform. Or you could simply stream them for views on Spotify and SoundCloud, but I don't think that's the best approach. I think it's better to be a freelancer. Also, you could use the music for your own projects by having it in the background for your music, as the music in your YouTube videos, or if you're doing TikTok videos, you can create it using this software. So let's take a sneak peek inside the members area. Basically, you select the requirements for the track to start with, whether you want a short form video, medium long, or a custom length for the music track you're going to be using. And then you can select from a different moods to determine what type of music you want, and you can select genres, whether it's pop music, hip hop, R&B, some sort of rock, or some generic ambient type music. You can select that, and basically it will take all your inputs in forms of the type of genre you want and the mood and the length, and it will merge all that information, search their big library of license-free music, and merge it all and create a brand new music track from scratch based on your input, and that will be completely copyright-free, unique music that doesn't exist anywhere, which you can use on your projects in your background music for TikTok videos and YouTube videos, and not be worrying about getting a copyright strike because the algorithm detected that music had been uploaded with another video. So that's quite a powerful feature to have as part of MusicBuddy AI. You've also got text-to-speech AI voiceover artists, and you can select from lots of different languages and voiceovers, and they will read your script, and an AI voiceover artist will read your script, and then you can use that on your YouTube videos, and then have subtitles over the top, an AI voiceover artist reading over that script, and in the background you can have music, Buddy AI music playing at a certain level that you've all edited in together, which fits in well with everything. You've also got video transcription services, so you can get the audio file for a video, and it will give you a script, a text-based script, which you can use for other tools. You've got the text-to-speech and then the speech-to-text. You can do it both ways. And then you've got a number of license rights tracks. You can search the library or compose a track from scratch using your inputs. So for me, with my video marketing, I don't use music in the background. I think it's more for people who are doing these kind of like faceless AI video channels where you've just got images and stock footage and then an AI voiceover artist. Maybe it could accompany it well if you've got some mixed in well background music, but I don't think it's essential. Or maybe if you're just doing a slideshow and there's no speaking at all, then music would be needed to make it a bit more engaging. So first of all, decide whether music is actually necessary for what you're doing. If it is, you can. For me, it would be easier just to download a copyright-free music as is without having to compose it. But I have in the past, I must admit, even when I've used copyright-free music, sometimes a copyright issue would appear, or it would recognize a track and link back to it in a description. So maybe you can avoid that by going for your own completely brand new, unique music that doesn't exist, and then you can completely rule out those type of issues. And if you don't really know how you're going to use the music, if you're an internet marketer and you don't know how to use it for your own projects, or you haven't got any projects to use it in, you could use MusicBuddy AI as a freelancer and compose simple music for other entrepreneurs to use with their video marketing. And once you've actually got the track, you're going to have to use another video editing tool to actually mix it all together. So the music won't be mixed into an actual completed video as part of MusicBuddy AI. You'd have to export and re-download that music into another software tool and add it as your music track manually. So that's just a different part of work that you're going to have to do later on to use the music as part of your project, if not just selling the music track as is to your client. But some interesting ideas for how to use MusicBuddy AI. If you want to discover how I've been earning a full-time income online, working from home, doing digital marketing for over 10 years now, and how that's still going strong, then click the link in the video description below for my #1 recommended online system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my #1 recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my MusicBuddy AI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.